What's going on, guys? Matt over here, Lethal Garage, and today I am checking out the Amazon car vacuum cleaner. Let's go check it out. And you thought my neighbors hated me because of my car sounds. This works. Does it work? We're gonna find out. This is literally an Amazon vacuum. It's like one of those all-purposes. Here, we'll just get into it. It plugs into, I specifically wanted one that plugs into your cigarette lighter. And unfortunately, I don't have a cigarette lighter in the Camaro anymore. So today we're gonna clean the Lethal Bourbon, which is probably a better way to do it because the bourbon's actually dirty and we have to do some assembly here. And the whole purpose of this is, do these cheap car vacuums suck or not?
Full pun intended.
Full pun intended. It really just comes down to, can these little vacuums actually get your car clean? And I wanted to find out because they're pretty inexpensive. There's a lot of different brands out there, and this was the highest rated one I could find on Amazon. And it even has a little carrying case and a make your car smell good. I wonder what it's like. You want to open that? See, tell us what it smells like. If anybody doesn't know, this is Maple Fed, or my son calls him Maple Head. What does it smell like?
Smells like a cheap. Oh! Smells like knockoff Irish Spring.
Oh god! Oh god! That's terrible. So it comes with a filter, and it looks like it comes with a backup filter, because I'm pretty sure finding backup parts for this is going to be next to impossible. There's a carpet brush to, you know, agitate stuff, and that long skinny thing to get into hard to reach places. And they do give you a little brush in there, so like if you're, you know, get the dirt off. Let me see. Yeah, that works.
Yeah,
that works. Right there. That works. And I don't know what that is. Anybody know what that is? Comments below, let me know. Either or. So we're gonna assemble this up, get some power, and see how it sucks. Maybe we'll get Lethal Wife to come out to do this. So we got plugged in. Car has to be in accessory mode to power the cigarette lighter on this one. Your car may be different. We got this little, the brush attachment, and it's suction has a little to be desired, but we'll go in. It's definitely sucking. Get everything. We'll have to get the long extension for it. Doesn't work that bad. What do you think? What do you think? You saw what it looked like
way
before.
Cleaner than it was before.
So you want to give it a go, honey? See if you like it?
I do it where it's not working.
Well, yeah. I figured it would be better that you did it because you're a lot smaller. See if the Lethal Wife stinks.
Ryan, what do you think?
Hey, let's see the before. Get in there. Let's get up in there, see the before. Nice and dirty. Four boys.
Christmas tree, pine needles, and everything.
She's got this side. You saw how dirty it was. Can you get up in there, Maple? Show what it looks like now.
I didn't do a great job. A perfect job.
Well, she hasn't finished yet, but I will say that we kind of stated at the beginning, but the suction isn't all that great. And with this device, it does agitate it enough to get dirt and stuff off, but you kind of have to do it to get anything to suck up. So she's trying the longer extension to get those hard to reach places. You know, one of the easier things that you could do is just blow the car out.
That's how goat. Yeah. Tickle cam.
Okay, honey, so you got the back seat, the seat. Unfortunately, I didn't catch the seat in video, but what do you think so far? Remember, this is meant to be a cheap, on the road, plug into your cigarette lighter cleaner. So if you needed it to just get stuff up.
That's different then.
Yeah, this is.
I'm comparing it to my full-size vacuum that has a ton of power.
Back area, you can see it's nice and dirty. Look at, yeah, we'll get up in here, all dirty. Let's see how clean it looks when she's done. This is a great vacuum if you have a quick spill in your vehicle. It is not a vacuum.
The kids drop the goldfish crackers all over the back seat. Then it will clean up the mess.
But if you want to detail your car,
I'm going to bring out the shop vac.
Yeah, no, that thing is kind of terrible.
I feel like you have a lot more work to do than, like, you put a lot more into it to get the mess clean up.
Yes. I bet your new vacuum that we just got you would, well, yeah, it would blow this one away, but it would make it would make quick work of.
I should go get it.
You should try it.
I didn't even think about that.
Okay, well, this works. I don't think it works that great. It's really not that great.
The kids even.
So there's a reason why the vacuums are super cheap on Amazon, because they're cheap and you get what you pay for. Because we did pay for this Amazon. Yeah, get a good vacuum.
This works if you work hard.
It's true. The little baby filter in here was so stuffed with junk.
It did clean.
It wasn't sucking anything anymore.
But we hadn't used it yet, so I guess it.
Well, basically, well, you cleaned a small area here, this area here,
which is much.
And then
cleaner.
this seat, which is cleaner. It did work, but the filter was already clogged up from just doing that area and the front and the front seat, which isn't done yet. It's not even done yet. There's still plenty of dirt there. So yeah, get a good vacuum, spend real money, because these don't work. So I had my wife bring out the good vacuum, and well, it's making quick work of things, and it's cleaning the areas that the other one didn't clean all that great.
Okay,
that looks so much better.
Luke.
Boys, no more honking the horn.
Here you go.
Now Luke's gonna vacuum. Mini vacuums. Yeah, just stay away from them. They're, yeah. Just get a good vacuum. I typically, when I clean my car out, I use the in-house vacuum, but now I wanted to try the little ones. I did, and it's not worth it. So save your money. I'm sure there might be good little ones out there, but that one, no. Don't go by the reviews on Amazon. Not bueno. But until next time, guys, hope to see you on the road.